An ethical question, moral question. Week fortnight ago, old Wally here, Nugget, passed away. Wally's the same age, 38 years of age. I just showed you his poo. He seems to be slowing up, walking with his back end. I don't think he's crash hot today. So when a horse gets to this age, and they get sick, I guess we get the vet and get a diagnosis, I guess. What are you doing? That's my phone, Mara. It's my phone, Mara. We get get your head back. Get a diagnosis from the vet. So how far do we go in trying to prolong the life of a wonderful old gentleman like this? Or do we just try and reduce the amount of suffering perhaps that they'll go through? I tend to think it's a bit like always. I think you know, or you tend to know when the times come. And the last thing I want to do is see this old guy suffer. Isn't it, Walter? I think it's going to happen for a while. Is it? But you're not looking real crash hot, bud, are you? And you got your girlfriends standing close by. It ain't going to be easy, whatever way it goes. Is it? It ain't going to be easy. My Wally. Wally the Wonder Horse. I guess you could call this the ending.